how's it going? It's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we have our black hexagon pattern for you. This is 50 centimeters wide. It's fairly small, but we do have smaller hexagon patterns. What can I say? It's black and transparent. Kind of looks like a soccer ball. I'm not gonna lie, we had a really hard time naming this because we have, I don't know, like 600 patterns, and we're kind of running out of names, so it's a little original, the name is, but it is what it is. It is black hexagons with a transparent background. So, that being said, you do have plenty of base coat options. Anything other than black, really. The darker you go, the less it's going to show, though, because the black just slowly starts to fade on darker colors. But you want pink, purple, yellow, whatever you want, this will work on. Shouldn't need a whole lot of activator. There's not much ink there. Well, guess I want a little light. That's better. There we go. And that again was dammed off pretty tight, so that is pretty close to actual sizing. Obviously, you know, certain areas it's going to stretch more, so down here is a little more true to size as far as the pattern goes. I should have held that up on the pattern, but here, I'll just hold it up here real quick. I'm going to say it's smaller. They're smaller than dime size. Pretty close to dime size, but probably smaller. Try not to get that wet because these usually go out as free samples. If you're not familiar with us, we almost always give free samples. We have forever with almost every order. So just an extra perk with ordering from us. Since this is 50 centimeters, you can get it for as low as $15 to your door. That includes shipping. So and that would go first class, which is still usually there in just a few days. So anywho, that will probably be in the abstract section, and that's at KansasHydrographics.com. Make sure you have our app as well. Sometimes it's just easier and quicker to order that way, and you will also get push notifications, and sometimes there's exclusive sales for those that have the app downloaded on our phone. That's available on the Android system as well as Apple. And I guess that'll do it for now, and we'll see you guys next time.